Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the volume indicator on TradingView. If you find that your chart feels a little cluttered or you simply don't use the volume feature in your analysis, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know just how easy it is to declutter your workspace and keep your charts focused on what matters most to you. Let's jump right in and make your TradingView experience a bit cleaner and more personalized. First off, make sure you've got your TradingView chart open and visible. Now you'll probably notice that by default, TradingView adds a volume indicator just below your price chart. For some people, the volume bars can actually distract from the main analysis, so if you're one of those people, or maybe you're just looking to simplify things, removing it is totally fine. So here's the first way to do it, and honestly, it's super straightforward. All you have to do is hover your mouse over the volume area. You'll see that this panel is right below your main price chart, and it usually says volume in the top left corner of that panel. Now give it a single click, just click right on the volume bars. You'll know it's selected because the background or the outline will become highlighted. Once you've selected it, right-click. This little right-click menu is a powerful tool in TradingView, and it gives you a bunch of options depending on what you've clicked. In this case, you'll see an option that says Remove. All you have to do is click Remove, and just like that, the volume indicator disappears from your chart. It's just like clearing off your desk when you need a bit more space to focus. Sometimes getting rid of the extras really helps. Now, in case you're more of a visual person or maybe you like using the icons around the chart, there's actually a second way to remove the volume. Look towards the very top left corner of your chart where the word volume appears. Right next to that label, you'll spot a little trash can icon which represents delete or remove. It might be slightly grayed out until you hover over it, so don't worry if you don't see it straight away. Go ahead and click on this trash can icon. As soon as you do, just like magic, the volume indicator will be gone from your workspace. Both these methods do the exact same thing, so you can choose whichever one is easier or feels more natural to you. And remember, you're not making any permanent change to TradingView as a whole, you're just customizing your chart layout to your personal needs. If you ever change your mind and want to bring the volume back, you can always add it again from the indicators menu without any trouble. So that's really it, folks. A super simple way to keep your charts as clean and distraction-free as you like. Sometimes it's the small adjustments that can make the biggest difference in how confident you feel while trading or analyzing. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any other TradingView tweaks you'd like to see explained. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more straightforward tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.